Marketing can get confusing. Remember this, traditional marketing drives digital marketing. Using postcard, direct mail campaigns, and lawn signs drives neighbors to your project's microsite. It's more powerful and less boring than time-lapse. Ghost Edge technology gives clients a consistent perspective of the project's progress. Using a smartphone, DJI drone, Phaze Air, keeping the client's eyes engaged on the excitement via a URL link, other social media platforms, email, or text campaigns. It's like having your own personal marketing assistant explaining to your next client. If homeowners understand what they're paying for, they'll pay happily.
All right, so check this out. It looks cool from the ground, but
Oh my gosh.
that's crazy.
It's so cool to see the progression.